Almost every designer gets this wrong, and honestly, I used to get confused too. Most people think fonts and typefaces are the same thing, but they are not. A typeface is the entire family of letters. For example, Poppins is a typeface, but Poppins Regular, Poppins Bold, and Poppins Italic are individual fonts within that family. Think of it like a pizza. Pizza is the category, while margherita or pepperoni are specific versions. In the same way, a typeface is the family and fonts are the different styles inside it. This is why professional designers usually stick to one or two typefaces and create hierarchy using different fonts like bold, semi-bold, and regular. That's one of the secrets behind clean and premium looking designs. So technically, you have probably been calling typefaces fonts all this time, and that's completely normal. But now you know the difference. Subscribe for more simple design tips.